Want to get the best quality photos from your camera? Most cameras are set to JPEG by default. By switching to RAW gives you way more detail and editing power. It only takes a few seconds to change the format. Let's switch to RAW right now. So, first turn on your camera, then press the menu button. Make sure you are on the first menu column. Here you can see the image quality setting. Make sure image quality is selected on the screen. Now, click the Set button. Or you can use your touch screen to tap this setting. Here you will have the option to choose between RAW and JPEG file types. Use the left or right arrow buttons to select the formats. Now select the RAW option from the very last. Then click the Set button. Once selected, you'll see the RAW on the screen. And now your camera is ready to shoot in RAW formats. And that's how you can change the camera format to RAW easily. Hopefully this method worked for you. If it did, then be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.